Hello my YouTube family. In this video I'm going to share with you exactly how to get started when it comes to lifting weights in the gym, especially if your goal is to drop body fat, tone up, build muscle, or just get strong. I'm sharing this video because I see it far too many times where I see especially a lot of girls that just are on the treadmill for the entire session. And this may or may not be you, but I know this because I certainly was there when I started my journey. I wanted to get in shape. I wanted to drop body fat. I wanted to build muscle. I wanted to get toned, but I did not know what to do. So all I did was jump on the treadmill. And obviously now I'm sharing this with you because I've had over 8 years of training experience. I am a fitness coach as well, and this is what I'm passionate in, helping women get strong under the bar, lift weights, not only to achieve their dream physique, but also just feel good in the mind, which is most important. And feel confident. And I really wanted to share this video because I see it as I said, I see it too many times where I just see women on the treadmill, and it's normal because it's just that they don't know what to do. So I'm going to share with you exactly how to get started and just some mindset stuff as well to really help you if you find yourself in this situation, to help you sort of get out of that mindset and get started with weight training. Okay, so firstly, I just want to say that it is so important to have a plan, a training plan. And I know that it's so easy to just pick and choose different kind of exercises every single time. I suggest you to have a plan, a training plan. You could get a lot of different training plans on the internet, but come into the gym having a plan in place, because that is going to save you so much time. And when you have a plan, you know exactly what to do. It's like making a cake. You have the recipe. We're not going to guess it. And obviously, if we've got a plan, and it goes with anything in life, then the more accurate you are going to be, and this time that you save to get to your goal. So have a plan. And even if you don't know how to do the exercises, that is okay, because you need to get started with somewhere first in order to get to where you want to get to. And I see this far too often where people think that they need to know exactly what to do before they get started. I could tell you that every single person will start not so great, because when you are weight training, you are essentially learning a new skill. No one will come into the gym knowing exactly what to do. And coming in there knowing that you may make mistakes, but that is the fastest way to get to your progress. And I know it's a lot easier said than done, but I hope that what I'm sharing with you now gives you some encouragement and motivation to just get started. Perhaps you may overthink and think that you're making a fool out of yourself because you don't know what you're doing. But there's just so many YouTube videos that you could look up on the net on how to do specific exercise. So first, have a plan. Write a plan out. You could find one from the internet. You could write one up yourself, and in a little bit I will share with you exactly how to write one up. So have that plan in place. And then for each exercise, before you go into the gym, go on YouTube, go on the internet and search on how to do these exercises, and look at those exercises, those video demonstrations before going into the gym. So that way you have some form of idea of how to perform those exercises. And let's just say you're at the gym and you're doing those exercises. It will feel awkward, because especially if there's something that you've never done before, but at least you've tried. And that is the only way. That is the only way to make improvements. If you don't apply what you read, it's exactly like books. You could read all the books that you can read, but the best is about applying it, and it will suck and it won't look normal, it will feel awkward, it will feel uncomfortable, but you need to come to that terms that that is just going to be the way it is. And of course, if you can invest in a personal trainer to help you for a few sessions to help you build that confidence, then that's great. But if you want to do it, it's so possible to do it on your own. You could utilize so many YouTube videos. So please know that it is the best way to get started is just by doing it. And the faster that you throw yourself in the deep end and do the actual work, then you are going to progress faster than just waiting for the perfect timing or moment, because no one's going to start knowing exactly what to do. So this is my encouragement for you, is to just get started. But first, you need to have a plan. If you are not able to find a plan, I'm going to share with you how to come up with a program or training plan. So especially if you've just started, I suggest doing a full body, but majority of the people that I work with, they do like to do upper and lower body split. So I'm going to give you an example of an upper and lower body split. So for one workout session, I want you to pick 4 or 5 exercises. Okay, and this is for one workout session for upper body. So choose 4 upper body exercises, only 4. Okay, pick 4 and do these 4 exercises for 3 sets of 15 reps. That's simple as it is. That is one workout. Just pick 4 exercises. That is one workout session. Then the second workout session will be focused on lower body. And again, pick 4 to 5 exercises for lower body. And again, 3 sets of 12 reps. So you've got 4 exercises for upper body, and then you've got 4 exercises for lower body. So essentially you've got 2 workouts. We are going to keep this as simple as possible. So you've got 4 upper body for that, 4 exercises for the upper body session, and 4 lower body exercises for the lower body session. So you essentially have 2 workouts, and you're going to repeat these 2 workouts twice in the 1 week. So you are doing the same 4 exercises of upper body exercises twice. I hope this makes sense. And then the same for lower body. So essentially you're doing 4 workout sessions per week. And that is all you need. And you want to get good with these exercises. You want to nail these exercises. Do it so good that you get confident with your form. You get confident with each exercise. You don't want to overwhelm yourself, because what I found that when you overwhelm yourself and chopping and changing different exercises, picking and choosing here and there, it's going to be very overwhelming. It's going to make it very confusing. How are you going to progress? It's going to be extremely hard. And this is specifically for those if you've just started. I'm going to keep it so simple. I'm going to repeat that. 4 upper body exercises in the 1 workout session. 4 lower body sessions in the 1 workout session. And each you're going to do twice. So that's going to be 4 training sessions per week. And all you're doing is getting confident with each exercise. Nail it. Okay, so if you are wanting to know the specific exercises, let me know in the comments below, and I could just write one up for you in the comments below. Let me know below. And then what you want to do is write it out, and when you get confident with the form, you could always work on increasing the weights for each exercise. That is going to help you progress. If you do this for the next 4 to 6 weeks, you could take longer than 6 weeks until you feel confident, and then you're going to pick after the 4 weeks of doing the exact same 4 sessions per week. or till a point, I would say about 4 to 6 weeks, depending. You could go longer if you want to build more confidence. Then after the 4 to 6 weeks, you're going to pick 4 different exercises. That's all it is. And then progress. And then from then on, you could pick another 4 different exercises. You could change it up every 4 weeks, but do the same core exercises for the first 4 weeks and then change it up. I hope that this makes sense. This is going to be the fastest way for you to make progress and see results. Please, 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 please keep it as simple as possible and nail the basics. That is what I would do if I was to get started, and especially if the goal is to get toned, to drop body fat, and to build muscle. It's all about the basics. And then within the 4 to 6 weeks, you are going to figure it out as you go. You are going to learn heaps more about your progress than chopping and changing. Please do this for the next 4 to 6 weeks if you want to get results efficiently and faster. Because if you are picking and choosing exercises every single week, every single session, you're just going to go around in circles. If you just stick to the same principal exercises that I've just mentioned for the 4 to 6 weeks, and then after that choose another 4 to 6 weeks, you are going to make significant results faster. Okay, so that is what I would do if I was just getting started in wanting, if the goal is to build muscle, is to drop body fat. Because when you train with weights, you will drop body fat because you're essentially building muscle. When you build muscle, you can drop body fat, but that is also given your nutrition is in line with your training. You will get stronger, you will become fitter, and you will build more confidence than on the treadmill. Okay, so I see it all the time where women would just jump on the treadmill. Maybe, look, I don't go on the treadmill, but if I was to do cardio, unless you love cardio on the treadmill, then I'm not going to stop you. Go do that. But personally, I love to do cardio outdoors. But it's just, if you don't know what to do, often the default is to go on the treadmill. So ditch the treadmill if you want to grow muscle, get toned, drop body fat, build muscle, I said that, and get strong. Again, a few things to also note that you need to get started. Start messy. Start not knowing how to do it. The only way to progress, and you will figure it out as you go, is when you just start applying. Because what you are doing in the gym is a skill. And please also know that you may think that other people are looking at you. That's not the case, because let me tell you this, that people in the gym are focused on their own self. They will not, everyone's there focusing on ourselves. We often create stories in our head that other people are thinking of us, and that is far from the truth. So please know that. Please know that. So as your biggest gym hype queen, hype girl here, who have been training for a very long time, I have been through all of that myself. So I totally understand, and I'm putting myself in your shoes. I'm going to give you so much encouragement, give you so much love, because I want to see more and more women owning it in the gym, because it's so empowering when you're able to lift weights and feel confident. As lifting weights, weight training has transformed my life, and I want that for you. So I hope that this helps. And if you do have any other questions, please let me know in the comments section below. I'm sending you so much love, and let me know what you want to see, or let me know if you've got any questions. I may make a future video of that in my next video, but I am sending you so much love, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.